Kia ora guys, Adam Goodwillie here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit B-roll in Final Cut Pro. The other day I done a video on how to film B-roll by yourself, and I'll put the link up there or up there, one of them, and so you can go check that out. But this one here I'm just going to do the video that I've done the other day and just cut up the tracks and show you how to do it in Final Cut Pro. So let's jump into it. Right, so right now I've got all my clips in Final Cut Pro, all in the way I'm going to be editing them, so clip by clip by clip. So first off, what I'm going to be starting to do is see where I walk in, just over there. So I'm going to push B for the blade tool. Then I'm going to click just where I walk in, and I'm going to push P, and then select it, and then push delete. Now that's how you get rid of your clips and cut your clips. So I'm going to go up to where I turn around, which is right about there. Boom, boom. Now this clip here, when I'm walking, I'm going to cut the front of it, right there, same thing, and then one right about there. Cool. Now you can see this clip is upside down, but that's okay, we don't have to worry about that. So what we're going to do is we'll come over here to the transformers, and then come over to the side where it says rotation. Now we're going to push 180 so it flips it the right way, and now we can replay it and it's walking normal. So that's if you do an upside down clip, flip it up the other way. Nice and simple. So I'm just going to slowly go through these clips and then see where I walk in, and after that I'll grab some music and then I'm going to edit it to the music. So just where I walk past. So I'm pretty much just taking off the front clip, or when I first started the video, because I don't need that. And then when I'm looking back, so the end and the front I'm just taking out at the moment, just so when the video goes, it flows with it. So what I'm going to say is just make sure when you're doing a clip, say you're going one way around, you want your next clip, say you're doing a B-roll clip, so the trees are going this way around, and then your next shot is going the opposite way around, it's not going to run and flow, so it just looks bad. It looks like you're just going, what? It doesn't make sense. So when you're going to do B-roll, it's okay if you do that, and then the next clip's that way. So what you're going to do is, you're going to, as before how I flipped it, so all you're going to be doing is by clicking it, and then coming over here to the rev counter, and you're going to go reverse clip. So then everything will go the same way. So if you did do it wrong the first time, there is a fix to it. So don't worry too much about that. Just try keep it that you're doing the same thing, same way. Sorry, same thing. So I'm just going to quickly go through these and just cut off the fronts and the ends, so they sort of flow together. With this one here, so you see me walking across and coming back. So I cut it off, cut it where I first walk in, and it jumps. So what I'm going to try and time is when he steps on that rock, so roughly about there, and then this one here, so when I step on the rock, so if I take that step there, and what I'm going to try and do is time it, so when that foot is going down, the camera's angle switches. So therefore it's going to be like, it actually looks more in motion, like, oh, that guy took his right foot, stepped on that rock, but it switched the other angle. You see the foot about to land, and then the rock, his foot's about to land on the rock, and then it switches to the other camera where it actually lands, and so forth. It just makes better motion, really. So let's see how that did. Was that right? Not really. It was sort of a Drag that a little bit more. So it does take a little bit of time. I mean, my first ever video I ever edited, it took me 11 hours. And I think it was might have been a 3 or 4 minute video. It took me 11 hours to download. Oh, sorry, not download. It took me 11 hours to edit. But I just wanted it done, so I keep working, keep grinding on it. But I was satisfied with the result, but I know I'm going to get better at it. So we're going to cut it right there. So his foot's been lifted. Yeah, so it looks like I place my step, and then I jump. So what I want to do here is push B, Shift, B, so you can just hold down Shift, and I'm going to cut it right about there, and then to we're about to land there, and then we'll push P, click on the middle clip, come over to the rev counter over here, and slow it down to 25 or slow it down to whatever. I shot this in 120 frames per second, so I can slow it down. And that's like my little speed ramp, because after it goes slow and then it goes fast again. So I don't need all that. So where I land, I take it to there, delete that. So it does take a little bit of time to get used to it, but see this one here, I've got to take out the front. So what I'm going to do is where I land it. That's where I land, just there. So it all flows. And then to bring it into, so that's that one, push B, cut it there, and then you got me walking up. So I'll talk a bit. Right, there we go. So then the next part here, I'm walking in. This one here I did say, and all the other videos I didn't have my backpack, which I'm just putting it in there just to show you what I'd done. Normally I would wear the whole backpack so it all actually flows with the story, but this one here I was like, I'm just going to do something at the end with the backpack. So I've got 2 shots on 2 different angles, so I can bring it in here and then I can cut it so I can actually look there, and I put my bag down. So I may use this again. So I'm going to bring this over here, and I have another one. And I start opening up my bag. Right. So as I start opening my bag, we'll cut it there because I have another clip that I'm going to be going in the bag. So this is the other angle here that I'm actually walking in. That's what it takes just to set it up. That's okay. So, so there I am. I'm walking in. So I'm going to cut it there just to get rid of that first part. And I'm going to bring this into here. Did I just lose another clip? I did lose another clip. Okay, you can always push Control Z. I'm going to drag that at the very top here. So I might use that when I actually put the bag down, just so it looks a lot better. So you got me walking up there. So I'm roughly about there. So I'm going to cut this first part. So I'm going to cut it there. Okay, so I don't need any of the other end. I'm going to bring this in. So then it looks like when I actually take the backpack off, it goes into the other scene that I just took the backpack off. But this one here, as you can see my tripod. Now, you can mask it out, but all I'm going to do for this one here is just, it's going to, all I'm going to do is just zoom it in a little bit. And then move it across. Just so it sort of looks like a tree branch there, where there's a tripod leg, but you don't have to do that. You can, normally I'll just move it out of the way. So that's flowing like there. Take the backpack off. It goes into where I'm taking the backpack off. And now you see me about to open up the bag. So I'll cut that first part off, roughly about there. And then you have me, I put the backpack in. So I can cut some of that off. Grab the camera out, and I just quickly, just as I grab the camera out, I will cut that right there. I'll take that off, and then the next clip I have is me actually dragging a camera out. So you see me grab it, so I'll grab it there, push it in, so it actually looks like I've grabbed the camera out. I might actually a little bit more right about there, because there's a little bit of movement there, so it just looks like it flows a bit more. So for this, I didn't actually have an ending. So what I did for my ending is I flipped this, so I'm going to put that there, delete that. So what I'm going to do is Control C, Control V. I'm not sure why I cut it right there, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, instead of doing the same clip like twice, I'm going to reverse the clip. So what it's going to look like is that I've picked it up, take some shots, put it back in, like so. That's it done. And then we'll black it out up there. So that was nice and simple, easy, quick, just putting it up like that. So what I'm going to do is close this, close that. So I'm going to put some video in it. So there are some free sites. This is not sponsored at all, but I use Epidemic Sound. So I like it. There's a whole lot of stuff I can find. So all I'm going to do is just throw a song in the end. And then you just go through with so you're just trying to hit it with the beat. So like second beat there, I'm just going to cut it there. So then every time it goes the beat, it just changes. So a lot of people so there's all different types of B-roll. So you could do it as like a Daniel Schiffer. If you've never heard of this guy, he's amazing. I'll actually put his YouTube underneath the link in below. But his stuff is amazing to watch as B-roll. It's fast. It goes together. It goes really well. This is just simple stuff. This is just, you don't need all transitions for it. It's just you can just bang it on the beat and it makes sense. Nice, simple, easy. So yeah, second beat I'll do. It's just a nice, easy song that I found. It roughly takes me about 2 hours to find a song. It's a lot of work, and sometimes I sit there like, what am I doing? And then I go away and then I come back because I know I have to finish it. So see me there. Go there. So that's pretty much it. How you edit your B-roll. As I said, it does take me 2 hours to find music, but I usually put all my clips in line first, edit what I don't want in there, and then I'll chuck my song and then edit again to the beat. Or you don't have to, but that's how I do it. As I said, I use Epidemic Sound. It's not sponsored. I'll put a link below as well, and also check out Daniel Schiffer. He's an amazing artist, or creator. But otherwise, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.